Weather update as of October 1, 2023 8 a.m. Subject, Koinu. Jenny heading towards Taiwan, enhances southwest monsoon. Tropical storm Koinu, Jenny, spotted near 17.3 north, 829.7 east, approximately 880 kilometers from Basco, Batanes, na may 75 up to 100 km per hour wind speed, at gumagalaw ng north-northwest to northwest sa bilis na 15 to 20 km per hour. Sa initial 5 days trajectory, Koinu, Jenny, posibleng magiging super typhoon ito, habang nasa loob ng Philippine Area of Responsibility, o sa Philippine Sea, bago tatama o maglandfall sa Taiwan, sa October 5, at nagbabanta rin ito sa mga isla ng Babuyan, at Batanes. Hahatakin nito ang southwest monsoon, o habagat na magpapaulan sa Visayas, at Luzon, including Palawan, with light to moderate rains na may kasamang thunderstorms. May mga cyclogenesis, o maliit na sirkulasyon, sa South China Sea, West Philippine Sea, at Pacific Ocean, Philippine Sea, na posible magiging potential na storm system, o bagyo, pero sa ngayon, wala pang nakikitang direktang tatama sa bansa.
Disclaimer bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe. Like, share, follow.